Good morning. It should be noted that I am the biggest fan of the Olympics there has ever been. I am not built for sports ball, but when it comes to Olympics and Commonwealth Games for that matter, I love it. I have been known to just say, right, my life is on hold. All I'm doing for the next 3 weeks is going to work, washing the dishes, watching the Olympics. Obsessed. I think there's a video on my channel even of me doing an unboxing while watching the marathon of the Tokyo Olympics. Oh, love it. Anyway, here's the reason why I'm here. Last Olympics in Tokyo. This man comes out as a viral sensation for his knitting and crochet. I already knew he was doing this because I was following him on Instagram at this point. I think, unless it's the Mandela effect and it was the other way around. But I've been following this man on the Olympics since he started diving at the wee tiny age of being a tiny child man. What a legend. And then I find out he knits. Brilliant. So I wanted to buy his book the moment it came out. However, I'm in rural New Zealand, and this is a hard-covered book from an English Olympian. This makes it a spendy book. Finally, this book came down within reach of me purchasing it in New Zealand, and I think I found it for 60 New Zealand dollars, which in American dollars, like half, it's like 30 American dollars. So we're talking cheap as chips for what it is. And I thought that there's no way this is going to be a hard copy book, because hard copy books aren't that cheap. But it's here. It's hard copy, and it's fat. So, what are we going to do here? I am going to have a look at this book and give you my impressions of Made with Love by Tom Daley. 30 projects for crochet and knitting, and I'm going to tell you what I think about it, whether or not I have wasted this money, or whether or not I have got myself a nice coffee table book for the coffee table I don't own, or whether or not there's something in here I actually might be going to make at some point. So let's have a look. Right, here we go. Made with Love by Tom Daley. Let's have a look, see what we've got. I don't really want to be doing any spoiler alerts or giving away any of the patterns, really. Oh, that's cute. So we've got an introduction. Oh, some nice reading. That's going to be fun. Learning to knit or crochet is the gift for life. Oh, meditate through knitting. Honestly, that's kind of cool. I was not expecting it to be as much background. I was expecting it to be like some of his patterns and stuff, which I know is going to be coming up. But, okay, right. So he's started right from the beginning. The shape of yarn, cool. Knitting essentials, that's going to be needles and bits and pieces, cool. Holding your yarn. I do like his nail polish. That is a cool colour. Right, okay, basic stitches. We're about a third of the way? No, quarter of the way through the book. Increasing, decreasing. I suppose if you've never bought a book before, and you're a fan of Tom Daley, and you might be interested in knitting because of him, this is all sensible stuff to put in there. Rib stitches. Okay, right, here we go. A knitting pattern. We've got some motifs. We've got how to do a gauge swatch. Oh, I am dreadful at doing gauge swatches, although recently I've started journaling my gauge swatches, so, at least I found a function for them, and I think it's cute. Troubleshooting. Okay, we're up to page 93. Is that our first actual knitting pattern? Right, okay. So we're 100 pages in, and we're up to our first knitting pattern. Not giving away the actual instructions. Okay, so does anyone wear a dickie anymore? Oh, we've got some more skills. We've got some leg warmers. I do like leg warmers. I wish I had the legs for leg warmers. A balaclava. They're so cool, but I'm not cool. But they are cool. Not a bad idea for winter kayaking, really. But I don't like my face being covered up. Socks. We do know that I am going to have to knit Tom Daley's socks. What do we require for these? We need coop knit socks. Yeah, is what they're saying. And there's 4 colours, 2.5mm needles. Okay, I think at some point I'm going to be doing Tom Daley's Odd Socks, which is kind of cool. Oh, look at you go, Tom Daley, grafting your stitches together with a Kitchener stitch. That's a cute scarf. Sweater with a fringe. Okay, I like the look of this, but I know full well that the first time you wash this is going to pill like no tomorrow. I'm now just skipping bits. Oh, those are cute. Varsity cardigans. I quite like the embroidery over the top of the knitting. So, the thing is with Tom Daley, he's so cool. Like, I am not this cool. He is cool. Oh, that's neat. Is that a bubble stitch? Or is it just looking like a bubble stitch? Interesting. Again, not entirely sure how that one will hold up. A nice rainbow. I do like colours. Colours are great. Oh, and now we're into the crochet and the crochet stitches. So we've got about 100 pages of knitting patterns and knitting techniques. And then we've got about a similar amount of crochets as well. Oh, filet crochet. I'm a crocheter now. I crochet things. Okay, I've heard some things. A heart keyring. That's cute. There's a top that I can't wear, but it does look cool on him because he's cool and I am not cool. Masterclass. I am deliberately skipping bits. Or a pot plant holder. That's a good idea. Or a thing holder or a yarn holder. Not a bad idea at all. Oh, cute. Cute. These are cute, Tom Daley. Honestly, he's just cool, isn't he? I do need to knit something in mohair because it's all the rage. Be mindful while you make. That is absolutely it, Tom Daley. You are a legend. Yes, you are. I do like that cardigan. I like the idea of making the letters crocheted onto the cardigan. Oh, he's so cool. I am not this cool. I mean, he's got his own yarn. And we all know how I feel about roving yarn. I hate it with a deep and abiding passion because it just doesn't hold up through the wash. And I have dogs, so things need to be washed. Well, Made with Love by Tom Daley. For those people who are following along and realizing I'm filming a few videos in one day, there is a dog. Can I see him? Is that him? No. Is that... Can I see him in the camera there? There's so many weeds in my garden, it's not funny. Is that the dog? That might be the dog. Either way, there is a dog lying in my garden. And the only bit that I've weeded. He's just come from the compost heap. Dog's gonna need a wash. Anyway, Made by Love by Tom Daley. Honestly, it's not what I was expecting. I don't know what I was expecting, but this is cool. Tom Daley is cool. I mean, I know that he's cool. He's so cool. I am not cool. I am uncool. Tom Daley is very cool. And these knitting patterns are cool and they're modern and they're achievable. They don't look like they're ones that are either going to take too long because he's got thick yarns or ones that are just funky. So they don't look like, it's not the knitting your grandma did and gave you for Christmas. And if you're starting as a very beginner or you've got a few things down in knitting or crochet, it's quite a handy dandy little book. The fact that it's got how to make things, including knitted hoods, honestly, it's covered everything. And as for the Intarsia charts, they're just cool. He's a cool guy. Do I recommend this book? It's spendy. $28 or £28 is what the recommended retail is in the UK. And if you're not in the UK, that's going to be more expensive, no doubt. But I did manage to pick this up relatively cheaply. But let's just take another look at these things here. This is cool, Tom Daley. This is cool. This is cool, Tom Daley. This is cool. So I'm going to do these. I am going to do these, and I'm going to do his odd socks, and I might do his odd socks relatively soon, if I've got enough random sock colour yarn, random colours of sock yarn. I will do his odd socks because that will be an interesting thing to look at while I'm on my sock knitting extravaganza. So, do I recommend Made with Love by Tom Daley? I kind of do, but as long as you can get it without it costing an absolute fortune. Or, yep, that is a dog. Yep. To be fair, he has been around this channel long enough that he's interrupted every book review I've ever done. Rocky, come here. Come here. Come and see the people. Come here. Come on. Where are you? Come here. Hello. So, Rocky, what do you think of Made with Love by Tom Daley? Oh, you're just thinking of what can you eat from the compost heap, because it's a piece of grass. Yeah. He's not the same young boy he once was, but he is a very good boy. He is the best boy. Tom Daley, you are a legend. This is a good book. I think that it belongs on the shelves of people's bookshelves as a nice little resource. I would say not as useful as the Vogue Knitting Companion. The pink one, not the blue one. The blue one is massive. I don't think that anyone needs to rush out and buy the blue one, buy the pink one. You can see my other reviews online. But this book, this is what you buy the person who's learning to knit or crochet in your life. Because it's cool. And he's cool. Yeah. Am I glad I bought it? Yeah, I'm real glad. Because Tom Daley, you're a legend. Love you long time. All the best with the rest of the diving, even though other than your knitting Instagram and crochet Instagram, I probably won't see you outside of anything but the Olympics, because it's not like I follow sports religiously. I follow the Olympics religiously. Anyway, have a wonderful day. I hope the rest of you are enjoying this weather wherever you are in the world. And take care. I'll catch you later. Bye.